Ethic Boss Production presents a Jamaican full movie, Correction 2022, starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss.
Like when the place stays, you know. So now hot star.
Hey babes,
Yeah, go on with it. Bring
bring
some
some
water
water
for me,
for
man.
you, yeah. Sun hot man.
Thank you.
Look like you're thirsty man.
Yeah, me man, the sun hot man, you know, see the rain make the flowers them look, man.
Me I tell you a place just go up like that. In a flash. So babes, you not go work today?
Yeah.
So tell me something, why you come out here in the white? You don't know say we stealing for the flowers them.
Only me can't see you working and make you work stay, you know. Just John a shirt, you know.
Alright.
Sue come in, you know, because I'm so ready to go in.
Alright.
Now who this now? Hello?
Jeremiah, what?
Me there here, you know. What you up to?
Okay, you know, say, the light gone, and I don't know if you can come fix it. Can you pick me though in the dark, and I don't like now. I don't have nobody to fix it, so you can't come fix the light for me.
I really like coming in your yard now because they know say my wife now go like that, you know.
So after she not fit what's then, your wife don't know say you have your pick me, mother.
Yeah. But when I say, me and you leave, you see me? I true you and baby mother, I can't have it as a habit every minute me a come over your yard like that. Me and my wife, you know, you understand, and she will feel a way about that. See now,
You look like your wife on the head. You come tell me about your wife. You have your wife. No, you can't come over me yard. You know, you used to come over me yard all the time. When the light now work and you pick it up in the dark, so you try to come over, you come fix the light.
so which part your man there? You can't make one of your man them fix the light.
Which man? Which man? I don't know which man you're talking about, you know. No other man can come on me yard and you alone can come on my yard because you are my picnic cooker.
Yeah, when me say, I don't like the idea, I don't think me fi come over because me all have work for go, you know.
So before you go work, you can't stop and go look on the light for me. So why you want you pick the feel at the dark and you want your girl around there in the house?
Yo, listen my man, stop styling my wife in as girl, you know. If you want me to do something for you, why you style my wife in her process?
Alright, tell you what. When you go work, then you come look on the light for me. Come in the morning, you go and stuff. Oh, you go and stuff and things to do with that woman. They want so with she.
Yeah, what I go on, make this be the first and the last, you know. And last time me I come fix the light, you know. You hear what me I say? Just make it be the first and the last. Later. Listen man, later. Later. Man, it's not easy. Every minute her light gone, she use pick me as excuse to me come fix light. Yo, me can't take them type of thing, you know. She don't have her man them, man, and she don't make her man them fix light. Every minute come fix light like say me a JPS. Sure.
I'm feeling better each day when I wake up. I see the sun glare shining on my window. I hear the birds are singing sweet. I'm getting better each day when I wake up. I'm getting better each day when I wake up. I see the sun glare shining on my window. I hear the birds are singing sweet. I'm getting better each day when I wake up.
Babes.
Pacha, hey Jeremiah, come.
Something to tell you, you know.
What you have to tell me now? What happened to you?
Baby mother tell me say must come over come fix light for her, you know.
What? Fix which light? So every minute fear light stop work, so I you she call. What fear man she live around there?
Well, me I say to you know, but she has say you to go in a darkness.
Listen to me. Stop going like you're idiots. So tell me something. She don't live around there with her man.
I don't know, you know.
You don't know?
I don't go here, so me can't know.
Okay, so what you are going to know? You have a fixed light.
Before I go bathe, I say me just run up and fix the light.
Okay. You're JPS. You're JPS.
I see him to me ask her say if me a JPS.
Same thing with, then if you know you are JPS, may I ask you a question? You're JPS?
No, me not JPS.
So look here, so why every minute when fear light now work, any hours a night she won't call you? Listen to me don't agree with that. You're not going anywhere. She live with her man on there, so therefore make her man fix her light. That's how many knows how you use it.
Only me just run go fix the light.
Yeah, so every minute she will call about fix light, she will tell about picnic. She will tell about you the picnic against you.
Listen me tell her this is the last time. Me soon come back.
Soon come back. That is, you're going to make that woman turn in a damn menke. That's all I have to tell you. You idiot. Look at who to you make turn in a menke. My God Almighty. Imagine me there and feel so good and sure. You know what? Me now make him get on top of my nerve, you know. That me I tell you. All me I tell him saying try have damn sense.
The problem she a cause now in my life, you know. And my wife start cost me just too she and like business, you know. Where you go?
Oh, you mean where me I go?
I like me a come fix now, where you go?
Yeah, but me come meet you.
So where you come meet me for? I know your yard me a come in and the light me a go fix, you know.
So where you go along so far? You go on like you know remember say me your baby mother, so where you go on so far? Eh?
Sure.
So you just a come. So we stand up so far from me. Come here now. Me have something more to say to you.
At the light me have work a go, you know.
You don't know say your pitney want to see you. Me say from me you see you there with that the girl there. What she do to you so?
What you mean by what she do to me?
You not even come around on me yard.
So when me come around if I have your man?
So then you used to come around but from you there with that the girl there is like say she just pin you down at the road down at that yard there. I want to you. Eh? Want to you so. And me see you give me be attitude now that me beg you fix the light. After you never used to give them the attitude. They were wrong with you, you are gone.
I'm not in the bag of argument.
I mean say in the bag of argument.
Things, you know.
So stop it talking. So tell me something. I was so with that the girl. When you not left the girl and come back
stop
with me?
This, my wife. I'm a wife.
When since she is your wife? Then you go short of time when they want to marry already?
What you mean? When me the one married, you never want married me.
What you mean? So when you, of course me the one married, you know it's a little problem and that's a couple go through problem. What happened to you? Eh? When you married to her for? You don't know say me you can't let the girl still run her yard now and make me live. Make me live again back with the
You have the chance already, you know, listen to me. You have the chance so you blow it. I mean I come for this, I come to fix the light so I can go back to my wife and go work.
My God Almighty, everything you talk about wife, so go on to the youth. I don't want to hear you mention the girl to me man. By the way, that the whole dirty destruction girl you got to about your married to.
No.
What?
Listen to me, listen to me. You see if you got this more, if I better me go back home, you know.
Behave yourself, man. Behave yourself. I talk more.
You want me to fix the light, don't touch me up.
What you mean,
you
so me touch you up?
Hold me up.
So where you are going to palm me after you never used to behave so? Anything me call you for do, you do it. So since you there with that woman there, you come hype up for me. And why you are going to talk the truth, man? Jeremiah, why you really behave so with me for?
You want me to fix the light?
I don't want to fix the light, but me a talk to you.
So fix the light.
So we are not, me a talk to you. Come, we are rush so far. We are go along so far, man. Why since you pick up this woman here, you go and like say she's all that?
She's all that to me, I'm a wife.
She don't look like no lady.
She don't look to you, and my wife and me comfortable with how she look.
Listen, left the old girl, man, and come back to me and you pick me, man.
Come back to you.
Why? So why you do me so far?
And everything, so why me I come back
Which
to you and my wife
and
me, well, alright.
Which part of me well, alright?
Married, so what you want me to do? Go divorce my wife if you...
Oh, you mean? Yo, stop
listen me,
now.
come.
Look here, behave yourself now. We are rush for. Lend me this.
Listen me.
Look here, your pitney want here, you know. And the pitney,
send her over if she want me. Make she come over, come spend time with me.
Me don't want the girl touch me pitney.
So all you have man touch my pitney.
So we are going so. After the man not touch your pitney.
Oh, you
I don't
mean?
want her near my pitney because I don't trust her. She look like she want witch, you know, like she want the obia work kind of. I don't want her near my pitney.
That's so you have to continue this, my wife.
I don't this me,
Listen
this and me just a tell
you
her
see
'cause I
when me
look like
fix
you're
the light,
blind.
yeah, are the first and the last. Me nah come back to your yard come fix no light.
So
You hear me say?
Me not
Are the
understand.
first and the last.
Me hear your boss. So you behave so strong. You never used to go and say, look how me sexy and look
Me
good.
no want to see
and
that.
that the old woman
Listen
there
me.
you with. That the old
Listen,
woman
me
there.
no want to see that,
Eh?
that right, you know. I like me
I
come
know
to
me
fix.
just I tell you, look there, look on my body.
Me no
me
business
look
with
good.
your body. But I hear business
And you
and
there
your
with that
body.
old woman there dressed up in a long clothes, but
I
she a
saw me love
Christian.
her.
She a hypocrite, she don't know Christian. For you see her, you say she a wicked. Eh? And something she do to you, you know. My mind
She
tell
don't do
me.
nothing to me.
My
A
mind
true
tell
love.
me.
A
True
true
love what?
love. A true love
Me
you
know
call
when you love
that.
somebody because you tell me say you will never love another woman. Because that's what they tell me. You know,
well,
after
well,
we are
things
young.
and time change now.
After we young with them, you know.
That no say.
My God, you
Listen,
so
me,
go
me
on,
ready.
so.
Come.
Hold me hand now.
Let me hold your hand
What
back.
you mean? Hold me hand, man. I in a bush with them. Hold me hand. You go along so.
Listen, man, me no
Eh?
want nobody a pass and come see you hold on for me like that, you know.
So, stop go along like that, man. And they think them, me tell us, say me no like with you, you know. Because look here, I know what way me and you when them my youth. Eh? Not just couple months ago, you
So what happened?
so what?
Everything changed now.
So you not have to go along, so me say, for you there with this woman, you just say, treat me one way. I mean, I like they sitting there, no. I know you used to come fix me light and do every little thing on me
Yeah,
yard.
but as me I said them thing they done. You
Done
understand?
what? It can't done.
Me and you
and
left.
then me have you pick me my youth when they go along so
So
far.
hold on there. So that means say your man fi just dead there, so.
So how
And now
you
do
mean say
nothing
me
in
man
a yard.
does don't bother talk about me man, cause you know say me no really want him, you know. You know say you me really want, you know. So Jeremiah
But
too,
you
you
didn't
know
have
say
the
me
chance. And you blow it.
see all your face look like you all have
Take
both
your hand out
of
of
you.
my, take your hand out of my face, the man.
Jeremiah really a treat me bad nowadays, you know. Touch me body, man. Touch
Sure.
me, man. Touch me now. You go along so.
Me in my church, you know.
You ain't not. So what that have to do? You know, see how much church people now want they do this in there. So
That
what?
are them. That are them.
Me no
That's
like
why
you.
I go married, because I go in a church to avoid the dirty life.
So
You
you say
understand?
when me and you did there dirty like
What you
that,
mean?
look on the nice
Every day
side.
this bag of argument between the two of us.
Everybody have argument. So talk
Yes,
along
me not
so.
say no.
Eh? Everybody have. You know, to say look for your
All
nice
Tony all
side.
give me a goat with man and me there in a house and something.
Me
Listen,
no like
man.
you say they sitting there. No. That's how when they pass. Me not even know what went wrong with me. Look like say me head did chip. If I give me for that, no, please me I beg you,
Me
man.
forgive you, yes. Me forgive you. But we now have no future together. And me and my wife I move on from there. You understand?
So I beg you can't just left
No,
you woman, 'cause you
no.
know say from me look on the woman, you see say something really wrong. That girl is something wrong with the girl, you know, man.
Here was. As me tell you, say, if you continue this, my wife, me I go turn back, you know. Me now fix the light, you know. Sure.
See why I see.
Let's see, say I bust the wire bus. I bust the bus, you know.
Well, alright. It's a good thing. Say you put up it, because you know exactly where she find.
Let me nice.
You really can't give me one more chance, Jeremiah?
Listen me, that not in it, yeah. How you feel for understand? You understand what I say? You feel for understand it, you not listen, you know.
What you mean, so me not listen?
Me I tell you, say it over between the two of we. It over. Where you can't understand in that.
What you mean, say if one
A
me
whole heap
can't
of
understand?
chance,
Me
me give when you usually give me bun and thing, you know. Me give a whole heap of chance, you know.
You forgot say just what year, about a year ago you when you run back to me and tell me say you want me. So how you come and hype
but
on
it's
me
over
now?
now.
How you come and hype on me
It's
now?
over now.
So now me want you. You understand me?
Well,
left the
as me
woman
tell you,
and
say,
they with me
listen
back.
Me married and it's over between the two of we.
You know
As simple as that.
you know say that same woman they make you no want come look your picnic.
Why you can't send the picnic at the yard?
You know why me fi send him come at the yard?
Why
Make
me-
the old
listen.
girl touch up my picnic.
Why me
Eh?
must
So
come
make
at
it
your
girl-
yard now where your man there and cause problem? Because you don't know say man no like me and thing already.
So
So
that
why
you
me-
don't normally come there when you not there. So
Yes, but
what
it's
the
a cause
difference
of
now?
argument between the two of we.
So you can't come at the yard same way. Are you build the house, you know?
That
Are your
not,
house,
listen
you
me,
know?
that not have nothing to do with it. That don't have anything to do with it. Me avoid the yard. You understand? Make the little girl come over my yard. No problem.
Me don't want
nothing
my
like
picnic
with
here.
my
Me
wife.
just don't want. Me
But
just
you
don't
know
want
my wife
picnic.
love the little picnic?
We love what? I pretend the girl I pretend.
Pretend what?
You say girl I wicked. I pretend the girl I pretend.
Sure.
Let me tell you something. You don't know, say last night the pitney a ball. The pitney they ball on the place they want him father to go
But
sleep
if you
with her.
avoid her from me, we expect a sleep with her. She can't
Yes.
come over here. What do you mean after, as me tell you, I don't
Sure.
stop her from come at the yard. She can come at the yard at any time.
And them something
Are
I
you
don't
on
like
the
with
problem,
you, you know.
you know?
And them something I
Well,
don't
nice.
like with you, you know. And them something I don't like with you, you know.
Listen me.
Me say the little girl wants you. She want you, her father to come back and sleep with her.
You hear me?
At your place where you run left your house for, your house.
Listen to what
Come
me I
help me
say
take care of the place like first time.
Them days they done. You hear me I say now? Me fix the light so you have light at yard.
You sure it's a light there?
Light there.
So tell me something, you don't want back pay. You don't want me pay you back.
What kind of pay?
Oh, you mean what kind of pay? You
No,
don't know what kind
no,
of pay?
me do
The
this to
same
me,
pay
you.
what me always tell you say, you can get anytime you want.
Listen me now. Me do
Let
this
it
to me
be,
youth. And if you make, if I did you alone there, I'm not no you today, you know. Me not come fix no light for you. Know. I'm youth, make me do
And
this,
you don't
know.
mean that, you know. You don't mean that.
Oh.
You don't mean that, you know. Stand up, I could chat a little bit now. Cause a long time you don't
Me have
think
work
chat
I go.
to me. Me know say I got work. You know, see a long time we don't hold a good conversation. We in the bush and all of that. You know, see that? We in the bush.
You have work I go.
Me know,
Yes,
but no,
please.
you know, say from the other day, I did really want to say something to you still, you know. Really want to say something to you. You understand what I say? Well, I really think about my life. I really know, say, I did treat you bad, you know. And I really see, now, say, back then, I never did treat you good. So now, me big and I understand life. Me could give it another chance.
No other chance, you know. Listen, me late for work, so me will catch up with you. Later, yeah?
So you left me in the bush, so?
So no down
You
there
left
say
me
you
in
live.
the bush?
I down there say you live, you know. Later.
You say him can't pretend, you see. You think me no know say him want me? Him well and want my body. I since him there with that girl, him just a go on like say him don't want my body. Eh? I go him for go to, you know. Me have a plan. When him come from work this evening, me I go up there with my pitney. Because if he thinks he don't make because I but so-called wife. He old girl was dressed up like a old man. Eh? In a old man clothes and all of that. Eh? She don't look good like me. Look how me dress, I look hot and sexy and pretty. But saying don't want my body. And she cause it. And anytime I come from work, me I go up there. And then him I go see what will happen. Boy. You said that girl is wicked, that girl is wicked. Rihanna! Rihanna! Rihanna!
Yes, mommy.
Lord Jesus.
I want mommy.
The light, come back.
Yes, mommy. A daddy fix the light.
Yes, your wicked papa fix the light. I'm glad you have on good clothes. I had to go up there to your stepmama. Because she know why your papa come down here. Me and her when I go up there. I tell you the hell. My God. Me all get ready. Me bathe and get ready.
Alright,
I
mommy.
want done her when I go up there. You watch.
Alright,
Come
mommy.
on. Hurry up, girl, because I want to go up there and catch all your papa up
Mommy,
there.
mommy said daddy nah come down here and look for you tonight.
No, you have to say papa now come down and take the old witch one up there. That's why I want me case and go up there, go done her up there. And I want your papa for the day. Make we hurry up.
Alright, mommy.
Lord have mercy, that girl there was wicked in a man. I wonder why take Jeremiah so long. Mr. Jeremiah, him not no sense in a man. Me no know him soft side, you know. Why make that the girl that take him in a one piece of idiot? She want light fix, she call Jeremiah. She want the place to weed up, she call Jeremiah. She want something to eat, she call Jeremiah. And yet still she live with her man around there. This is what me don't understand. And the girl is a wicked girl, you know. Because imagine Jeremiah having daughter with her. And I love the pitney so much. Why not send her around? Not just send around the child. The pitney just love his father and I don't know why she behaving like that. Eh? She ain't one for the pitney and then attach the man about the pitney and everything. Why me I tell you some woman really not easy. After him have the goal and him thinks he had it stone. I pity him no know, so you not just clean up the goal and then you will see a real goal. Eh? You think it's a stone and take it that shit away. And now when somebody clean it off, she want it back. And where she come from, what she hear about.
What is wrong with this girl? Why may I tell her that she's something else? Why? Jeremiah try me case and come go work. And why am I going late for? For that the girl, eh? Am I going late for she? Why may I tell her life is something else? Trust me. All me have to tell Jeremiah, try have him head pan him body. Try have him head pan fit him body, cause him see what that the girl make out of. He better have sense.
When me come back, you know.
So how you just a come and full of hands? Or you just a come?
I don't know gully that the lighty bus, you know. I'm gonna fix it.
Okay, so tell me something. Me really have to ask you a question. I saw you have continue make she take you like a puppet. You a puppet?
Tell you, so this is the first and the last, honey.
First and the last, but listen to me. This is something that she constantly doing. You understand what me I say? The point is she live with her man around here. So that means say our man supposed to fix the lights. The man I use the light as well.
Yeah, me
the man take up your run now. You're not supposed to every minute she call you run gone on the like you're idiots. You're not idiots. And even listen, if you are an idiot, now you have sense. You take care of your picnic, yeah? But you can't constantly doing things yard work like your yard boy. Your yard boy? Me not there with no yard boy. Me not there with no yard boy. She never did know the use of you when she did have you. So now me have you, you're not on no yard boy.
See him, so me tell her, honey.
You hear me say? You're God pitney. You're royal priesthood. You're holy nation. You're peculiar pitney. You understand me? You don't make people treat you less than you are. You hear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
You make she don't make you late for work. Don't do them things there again. You hear what me say?
Yeah, I will be here now, because I'm already late already.
Look at your face. Look how you did happy this man and look how you look. Every minute you go around this girl, you look depressed.
Then me already.
Alright. Why am I sorry for you? I'm not telling no lie. Yeah, wait, figure. Wait there. I want to put on me. Put on this.
You left nothing, mommy?
I don't left a thing. I have everything in my bag, girl. I put on some makeup on my face. Can hold this to look good. What happened? What's your problem?
Mommy, I must put on lipstick.
Me they put on everything.
To look at mommy.
Because guess what? Your papa wife holy, so me they show your pa. Say me look good and look better than she. The thing is you want your mama holy?
No, mommy.
So I left me alone, make me at up myself.
Mommy, you're not even rub up your face.
You put on anything good? That's so good. I don't have to put on a heavy, you know, because I'm a pretty girl.
Want the foundation?
I don't have to put on a foundation. You chat too much, girl. Give me this. I don't want to, this is the main thing when I don't want to forget. Your papa thing say, now come back to you. Look at sad mistake. All this. Every cent your pa have in your figure. Make hungry kill them round them. I'm not sorry for them. No tell nobody say me rub nothing for you when you really go up there, you know. You hear me say?
Yes, mommy. So, mommy, so where daddy goes say?
He can't, what?
It's like where you rub.
He don't know what me put for. Shut your mouth, you hear me say enough say nothing, girl. Me don't want nobody know say me rub up nothing for you when we go up there. Because your papa give me every cent. Make hungry kill him and girl long there. That me they tell you. Make hungry kill them. And your papa since as him in decide say you know want to come back to the two away. And this me have pain. With the glass there. Oh me look.
Put on back the glass up, mommy.
Me look good?
Yes, mommy.
Make
Ever
sure.
look good.
Me I tell you. Lord God. I wonder what Jeremiah do so long. Jeremiah!
Yeah.
Hurry up, my man. You don't late for work, man. You see you already late. Hurry up, man.
Tired, you know.
I know, baby.
When I can't stay, you know.
Alright. Love you.
I run down and come back.
Alright.
But in 9 o'clock I come back from you.
So later you go and stay?
Yeah, man.
Because you have, why you don't do some overtime like when you're already late?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, take it easy. I know about that stress out yourself about nothing, yeah?
Yeah, man. Alright, later.
Yeah, man. Love you.
Yeah.
Alright. Boy, may I tell you. And my husband is a nice little man, you know. He's so humble. Boy, may I tell you. Such things set up still. And if the girl don't just humble herself, and make me and her live good for the kids' sake, you understand what I say? The little girl just love when she come over and then something and she just stop her so. I don't know why them not try to live good with it when woman turn wife after them day with the man. Them just create all kind of problem. Why may I tell you? Who that? Jeremiah!
Mommy, I went in back where the drop for me.
Shut your mouth, girl. You know me say you never say nothing. You know me. I sitting for make your papa come back to me. I'm sitting for make your papa mind it 2 hours. I hear me say nothing, your mouth and say nothing more about it.
Yes,
Shut your mouth and don't. If I put my box in your face. Jeremiah! I call the papa and tell you to come ask me what we in a back. Cover your face. You see your favor him? Man, lick off you. I call Jeremiah. Oh, are you? Me never call you, no girl. Why you come out here for? Why you come out here for? And me pick the papa, me come call you. Why you come out here for? You see how ugly? And who you call ugly girl? Me ain't no argument with you today. You hear me say? Me ain't no argument with you. Listen to me. Me come up here hot for you. Me come for me pick the papa or one mining picnic. Because are you in care mining picnic? Where you come up here for? Where you not going back and you hear the argument now, man? You think me afraid for you? You think me afraid for you? Anytime me want me come at this yard here, you can't tap me from come here. You can't tap me from come here because me first see. And me first know. And that you fi know, girl. Jeremiah gonna work, you know. So you come up here in vain. Because all you do every minute is come up here in arguments. You come up here in vain, so go on back down to your yard. Come tell me about in Ghana work. Tell me about in Ghana work in nothing more than in the house and you don't want to come out to me. But you see, if you not come out there to me today, you don't go see something. You don't go see who me really be. All along me they go along cute with you know, and you know say, me have everything they boil up in me. You talk about fights? Look how you behaving for a big old woman. My God, be respectful now. You have the little girl there and look how you behaving. You behaving so bad. That's not the way to grow a child. Behave like you're a decent woman, my girl. You see the time me there they argue with your girl. You know what? Since I know I come out here, a family court, I go and carry him go a court. I must sink him backside a court. Alright. Tell him something come up here. He will meet me a court. Come on.
Oh, go on, babes.
My day ain't no ethic.
So your face looks up from your senior phone.
So away you are go.
Petra, just calm down yourself, no man.
I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not around. I get so frustrated when I can't get your phone. My mind keep on wandering all over town. I need you, my baby, so please come back home. I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not around. I get so frustrated when I can't get your phone. My mind keep on wandering all town. I need you, my baby, so please come back home.
Baby girl, me feel the same way, so you know we love connected. When me holding on my arms, you tell me say you feel protected. I love you spread like cancer, me I tell you I'm affected. When you're not around, me wonder, feel so overprotected. Me glad the day I you me choose, glad the day you get selected. When me feel sick and weak like a scanner, girl, you detective. Love was a crime every day, we get arrested. Anything we Father God put together, it is a blessing.
Feel so lonely, baby, when you're